Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Hello, guys. Hello. No issues, right, guys? How are you guys? Is everybody fine? Please let me know. How are you guys? Is everybody fine? Please let me know, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. Awesome, guys. Awesome. So, how was your New Year, guys? Did you had a good New Year? Do let me know. Did you guys had a good New Year? Good celebrations and everything? Any new like have taken up some pledges this year that this is what I'm going to do? Any kinds of pledges that you have taken up this year, guys? Do let me know that. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year. Great, guys. Awesome. 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 Okay. So in a few minutes, I'll be introducing myself. I'll be letting you guys know about the boot camp, what is going to happen, how are we going to study, what are the certificates that you will be receiving, okay, how's the attendance going to take up. So all these things we'll be doing it after a few minutes, guys. We are just waiting for everyone to join us. Once everyone has joined us, then we'll start with our boot camp, guys. Once everybody has joined us, then we'll start with our boot camp, guys. Okay. Great, amazing. In the few minutes that are left, could you guys let me know? So many of you guys are from various different colleges in India. So could you guys let me know what are you currently studying? Like which particular branch are you from, and which year are you from, guys? Could you let me know in the live chat? Which branch are you from and which year are you from? Please let me know. So we have people from CSC, Electronics, CSC third year, AI and ML. Okay, good. We are having people from ECE, Mechanical. We have people from Civil. We have people from ENTC first year, ENTC final year, Electronics and Telecommunication. Okay, BTech, Computer Science and Design. Good. Mechanical Engineering, NIT Agartala. Okay, great. ETC, last year, final year. Okay, we have a lot of students from first year and final year. That's absolutely great to see as well, guys. Okay, that's amazing, amazing. Okay, so last year, mathematics, good. BCA, good, guys. IIT Kharagpur. Okay, Berozgar. Okay, then you're having people from passed out people as well. That's good to see. Okay, we have people from instrumentation, BCA, chemistry honors, good guys, BSc computer science, second year, good, KIIT. We have students from KIIT as well. That's good to see. Business analytics, first year, good. Data science and artificial intelligence, good. Mechatronics, good guys. Okay, okay. Okay, so now that you have introduced yourself, let me introduce myself as well. So my name is Sharisana and I'm going to be your instructor for the next 7 days. So a little bit background about me. So I have been in this field for a very long period of time. I started my journey as a data analyst in Reliance, as an intern in Reliance itself. Then I became a data scientist intern in Geo. I started my career as a machine learning lead, ML lead in Explore ML program of Google, where I worked for almost 14 to 15 months. I worked in Google. And then I converted myself into full stack development. I worked with some startups as machine learning engineer. And then right now I'm working as a full stack engineer at Fastnell. So that is basically a small introduction about myself. In my free time, I usually conduct these boot camps and everything at DevTown. And I take up some boot camps, I take up some batches, training programs. I go to various different colleges as well to train students. So that is a basic introduction about myself. And so yeah, I think so that should be it. You guys can connect with me on LinkedIn if you want, guys want. The LinkedIn profile is down in the description itself. Okay, so now that I've introduced myself to you guys, let me start with this boot camp itself. In this boot camp, you are going to learn about Python. You are going to learn upon a little bit about NumPy and Pandas. Our main focus will be on machine learning. We'll be doing one algorithm as well from machine learning. We'll be making a project at the end. Okay, you guys, this entire bootcamp does not need any kind of prerequisites. Okay, you don't need to know what is programming as well. Everything will be taught to you guys from the utmost basics. Okay, so even if you guys don't know what is Python, you don't have to worry about it. We'll be teaching guys the basics of Python from the utmost beginning, so you don't have to worry about anything. The only thing that you need to make sure is that you are able to understand my language, because I will be the entire boot camp of 7 days will be conducted only in the English language itself, because we have students from outside India, we have some students from South India as well, who are not very proficient with Hindi as their communication language. So we'll be using English throughout the entire boot camp, and I hope that you guys are able to understand this and you guys are able to follow this as well. Okay, the next particular thing is that this bootcamp has been brought to you in collaboration with Google, Microsoft itself. So there will be 3 certificates associated with this bootcamp. Let me just show you guys those certificates as well. Give me a second. Let me show you guys the certificates associated with this bootcamp. Okay, so let us go to linkedin.com and let me just open up our notification. So mostly the students who receive the certificates, they post it up on LinkedIn itself. So I'm just showing you a post from there, a particular student who has posted all the 3 certificates, so that in that particular way you guys are able to see that the certificates are being received by the students itself. So let us see. Okay, this particular student has also posted just 1 certificate. See if anybody has posted all the 3 certificates right over here. Give me a second, guys. Okay, he has also posted only 1 certificate. Okay, so students have posted just 1 certificate. I'm just trying to find somebody who has posted all the 3 certificates itself. Okay. Okay, so let us do one thing. Let us see all the 3 certificates individually itself. As you're able to see, this is the certificate that will be given to you guys via DevTown at the end of this particular bootcamp. So it will be a certificate of participation for this particular bootcamp itself. So this is a bootcamp that we conducted back in November 2022. That was our backend web development using JavaScript and Node.js bootcamp. So this is the first certificate that will be given to you guys after the end of this particular bootcamp itself via DevTown. Okay. The next particular certificate that will be given to you guys will be from Microsoft itself. So let me show you guys that certificate as well. So this is how the certificates okay, so he has posted all the certificates. That's great. So this is the certificate that will be associated with Microsoft, guys. As you are able to see, this is the backend web development using JavaScript and Node.js bootcamp. So this is the certificate that you will be receiving for this bootcamp in particular at the end of the bootcamp itself. The next particular certificate will be from DevTown, as you are able to see right over here. This is the DevTown certificate that you are able to see associated with the bootcamp. And the third certificate will be from Google Student Developer Student Clubs itself. That will be from Google, and that certificate will also be associated with this bootcamp. So there will be 3 certificates associated with the bootcamp itself. Are you guys able to see this and understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see this and understand this, guys? Please let me know. Okay. There's just one rule of getting these certificates. Okay, you have to attend the classes live. Okay, if you're not present live in the class, will not be able to get your attendance. And if you are missing out on a single class itself, you will not be able to get these certificates. I'm being very clear with this, guys. I'm being very clear with this. Okay. If you are not attending the classes live, you are not going to get the certificates. Although the videos of the live sessions will be made available to you guys with lifetime access, you don't have to worry about it. So once the live session has ended, The video will be given to you guys with lifetime access. You don't have to worry about it. But for the certificate itself, if you're not present live in the class, you're not going to get the certificate as well. Every single day, I will be taking up your attendance. How will I be taking up your attendance? That I'll be telling you guys at the end of today's class, not right now. Okay. How I will be taking up the attendance will be told to you guys at the end of today's class, not right now. So please be a bit more patient about how are these like attendance going to taken up and everything. I'll be telling you guys at the end of today's class after we have studied a little bit. Okay. So the certificates will be sent to you guys on your email address itself. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. So whatever email address that you're going to use for the same itself, okay, whatever email address that you're going to use for your attendance itself, on the exact same email you will be receiving all the 3 certificates at the end of this boot camp, guys. Okay, so like I said, in this boot camp you guys don't need to know anything. Okay, you don't need to like everything will be taught to you guys from the utmost basics. Okay, we will be starting off with the utmost basics. We'll be first covering up Python, then we'll be going towards machine learning, and then we'll be going towards the project in machine learning, guys. At the end of this boot camp itself, when you're leaving this boot camp, you guys can like put the project that you're going to work upon on your resume. You can put all the 3 certificates on your resume itself. As these certificates are from big companies, it will carry a value to your resume. So that is our aim. Okay, we are going to give you a taste of what machine learning is, do a little bit of project as well. Okay, so we'll be doing one machine learning algorithm because it's just 7 days. So we'll take up some time. Okay, it's just 7 days itself. We cannot cover everything. But what we are going to do is give you a taste. Even if you don't know anything, we are going to teach you guys everything from scratch itself, and you don't need to worry about it. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Okay, great. So once all the questions have been answered and everything, and guys, you can connect me with me on LinkedIn as well. It will be great to connect with you. My LinkedIn account is down in the description itself. So anytime that you want to connect with me, you guys can do that as well. Okay. And okay, so before starting the class, I want to take up a poll for you guys. Okay. So is this the very first boot camp that you are attending, or have you previously attended any other boot camps as well? Okay, so the question is very simple. Is this your first boot camp? So I've attended a lot of boot camps. Okay, so right over here, what I've done is I'm creating a poll for you guys that would be there in the live chat itself, as you're able to see. So if this is your very first boot camp that you're attending, you can just click on yes, I'm excited. Or if you have previously attended any of the boot camps, you can just click on that no, I've previously attended some boot camps as well. So I can get a little bit of idea about how many students are new to the boot camps, how many students are old students joining us once again. Okay, so it would be easier for me to understand what is the ratio of the students itself. Okay, so whatever the case is, guys, there are 2000 students live with us. Please everybody fill out the poll itself so that we have some idea about how many students are new, how many students are old itself. Okay, so everybody, I'm requesting from them. There are 2000 students live with us. We have got 1500 votes up till now. So the rest of the 500 students that are still not voted, please vote it out accordingly. Okay, because we want to get some idea about what are the new students and how many guys are the old students itself. Okay, so that would be how we will be taking up the class further on as well. Okay, so some 300 students, please guys fill out the voting as soon as possible, guys. Do not wait a long time for the same. Okay, please fill out the thing as soon as possible, guys. Okay, please fill out these things as soon as possible. Almost 300 students are still left to fill it out, guys. Not waste the time. Please do it so that we are immediately able to start with the class. Okay, some 200 more students are still left. Guys, please fill out the class, guys. Okay, so almost all the students have filled out the attendance. As we are able to see, many students are new to this particular boot camp. No issues in that. I hope that you guys have an amazing time in this boot camp and you guys are able to learn as much as possible, guys. Okay, so that is what we will be doing right now, guys. There's a lot that we have to do. Okay, and yeah, we will be doing it according to the same itself. Okay, so let us get started with a little bit of basics. Okay, today we'll be starting out with the basics. We will not go into programming directly. First, let's get an overview as soon as possible, and from there we'll be moving further into the practicals as well. This will be a very practice intensive boot camp itself. We all will be practicing a lot of code. Okay, and you don't have to worry about it. Even if you don't have a laptop or a desktop, you guys can do all the coding from your mobile phone as well. We'll be helping you guys out, set up everything right over there. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Everything will be teaching to you guys from the basics. Okay, just make sure that you are able to learn as much as possible, guys. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Let's get started. Let me open up Paint right over here. Let me delete everything up. Okay, so please focus upon the class, guys. If you guys have any questions or any queries at any particular point of time, do let me know so that I'm able to help you guys out with the same, guys. Okay. Okay. So right over here, guys, let's get started. The first thing that you need to realize is, so what do you mean by AI, guys? If I'm asking you a question that artificial intelligence, what do you mean by that? Okay, what would you say? Like, what is your thinking? Do not give me a Googled answer. Just like right now, if I am asking you that, okay, what is AI? Okay, what is AI itself? Okay, can you guys let me know? Okay, can you guys let me know what is AI or artificial intelligence? What comes to your mind? What is the first thing that comes to your mind? So we have Jarvis, robotics, we have people, machines can do human work, we have machines that thinks like humans and acts like humans, expert systems, human created intelligence, okay, mimicking humans, what humans do, robotics, Jarvis, not new needing humans, chat GPT. Okay, that is a very bullshit answer, but okay. Machine brains, okay, then you are having apocalypse, okay, multiple if statements, okay, Alexa, okay, you are having human like brain and machine. Good. Okay, so most of you that think about artificial intelligence is like Terminator sort of robot itself that is going to take over the entire world someday. But actually artificial intelligence is a very flawed concept. Okay, what you guys are actually telling me that to be able to give an artificial, like to be able to make a machine do what a human can, like creating an artificial intelligent being itself. Okay, so all these is basically the definition of AI from back in 1950s. Okay, back in 1950s, the people who were working in AI, they used to consider artificial intelligence as what you guys are currently saying. Okay, that robots and machines that are able to do human work, think like a human itself, has been artificially created. So this is basically back in 1950s. Okay, you guys are not in 1950s. This is 2023 right now. Okay, it's a new year. It's almost like 75 years from that particular point of time. The definition of AI has evolved a lot. AI right now is just a field of science. Okay, it's just a field of science. It's like you're having physics. Okay, just like you're having physics itself, artificial intelligence is right now considered as a branch of science itself. Okay, as a field of science itself. And this field of science basically is mathematics and nothing else. Okay, if you guys feel that it's robotics and all these kind of stuff that you're thinking about, you're absolutely wrong. The major thing in artificial intelligence is it's just maths, nothing else. Okay, it takes up inspirations from various other fields as well. For example, you have probability, you have statistics, you are having your expert systems, you are having game theory, you are having econometrics, you are having neurology, biology. All these concepts come together to form AI. And the aim of AI is not actually to create something that is intelligent enough or to be able to. That was the original like ideology behind AI itself. But right now, AI is basic ability. Okay, basic ability using mathematics itself to be given. Okay, to be given like an algorithm. Okay, it's basically an algorithm and nothing else. Okay, it's basically an algorithm and nothing else. It is basic. You're having your probability, statistics, all these are nothing else but mathematics, right? These are nothing else but mathematics. Please try to understand this. Okay, please try to understand this, that these are just mathematical statements, and to use these mathematical statements to create algorithms for you guys, that is the role of AI. These algorithms can have various different kinds of work. Okay, it's not always to create something intelligent, it's not always to create something that can mimic a human, it is not always to be able to match up to a human as well. All these different things are something that you guys have created. Your Bollywood and Hollywood has imposed upon you that AI is basically Jarvis, or AI is basically a robot that is fighting the entire world. It does not happen like that. It's maths. Okay, right now you are into studies. Right now you are not a kid anymore. You are a proper person who wants to study right now. Okay, so for these people who want to study, try to understand AI is just nothing else. Okay, AI is nothing else but just mathematics. Okay, now just like in physics, you're having different branches inside of physics, right guys? Okay, please let me know what are the different branches inside of physics, guys. Can you guys think about it? Okay, you are having electronics, you are having your like let's say optics. Okay, you are having, let's say, another thermodynamics. That's great, guys. Thermodynamics. You are having your mechanics. Good, guys. Mechanics. Okay, so you are having fluid dynamics. Good, guys. Amazing. Fluid dynamics. Okay, so you are having all these different fields of study under physics itself. Okay, all these field of studies under physics. In a similar way, under AI as well, under artificial intelligence as well, you are having various different fields of study. You are having machine learning, you are having natural language processing, you are having computer vision, you are having your soft computing. Okay, you are having so there are various different fields of studies that are there under AI. Okay, machine learning and deep learning are usually considered to be like deep learning is basically a sub part of machine learning. So machine learning has various different algorithms inside of it. One of those algorithms is deep learning. Okay, one of those algorithms is deep learning. So right over here, as you are able to see, just like physics is a branch of science, it has various different topics under it, various different field of systems that you have to learn under it itself. In a similar way, AI also has these various different fields of studies under it. Okay, and for example, electronics might be like related. Okay, you might be using electronics and thermodynamics together to solve a particular problem itself. You might be using mechatronics and optics to solve a particular question in physics itself. So all these different things that are there, okay, you are merging them together to solve a question at the end of the day. For example, your phone. Okay, for example, your phone, it has electronics inside of it, it has mechanics inside of it. Your cameras, it has optics inside of it as well. How to make sure that the phone does not get heated up. Okay, so for that you are having to use the thermodynamics concept inside of it as well. So all these different topics are coming together to create a finalized product itself. Okay, create a final product out of it itself. Okay, the same thing happens in AI. You are having different topics under it, different fields of study under it. Okay, you are having machine learning, you are having natural language processing, you are having computer vision, you are having soft computing, you are having so many different fields that are there. Okay, and you are going to use, okay, you are going to use a combination of these things to solve your problems. Okay, to solve your problems that you are having on a daily basis. Okay, so you need to understand machine learning is basically a sub part of AI. So AI, think about AI as a branch. Okay, AI as an umbrella itself. We think about AI as an umbrella under which you are having machine learning as one of the topics. Okay, as one of the topics that you have to learn. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Great, guys. And for those guys who are more curious about it, so machine learning has almost 18 different algorithms inside of it. Okay, machine learning has a set of 18 algorithms that basically define machine learning. Okay, plus 6 deep learning algorithms. So total there are 24 algorithms that are there in total. Okay, the base algorithms that you have to learn, and these are 24 algorithms that fall under machine learning itself. Okay, in this particular bootcamp we are going to learn about one of them. Okay, we are going to learn about one of the algorithms in machine learning. Okay, ML, we are going to learn one of the algorithms out of these 24 algorithms that exist. And you don't have to worry about it. Okay, you don't have to understand everything. Okay, we'll make sure that it is as simple as possible for you guys to understand. Okay, and you guys are able to learn everything properly as well. What we are going to do, so there are two ways in which we can handle this. Okay, that we are going to provide you with notes as well. Okay, we are going to provide you with notes as well. You don't have to worry about that. But I want to ask a particular question from you guys. There are two ways in which we can do this. The first particular way is, first start to learn Python. Okay, we'll learn as much Python as possible and then go to machine learning itself. But in this particular way, because first we are doing Python and then we are shifting to machine learning, we'll be losing a lot of time, and machine learning as a concept will be extremely small. What I want to do for you guys is, we'll start with machine learning from tomorrow itself. Okay, we'll start with machine learning, like the practical machine learning from tomorrow itself. Okay, and whatever we are coding in Python, I will be explaining you all the code and everything. Okay, what is Python and everything very clearly. Okay, in a very simplistic manner, right over there as we are doing machine learning. So what do you guys think? Okay, according to me, if you are first learning Python from its basics, then you guys won't be able to get a lot of time for machine learning. For me, I am personally thinking about it. We should first start off with machine learning directly. Whatever concepts are coming right over there, we'll try to learn the basics of Python right over there itself. Okay, we won't be wasting any more time. We will start with directly learning most of this stuff in the first go itself. So this is something that I am thinking about. Although I will be providing you guys with notes and everything very clearly with all the basics written right over there. I can even show you guys the notes if you want to see. So for Python, this is the notes that we will be referring to. Give me a second, guys. I'll just show you the notes for Python. So this is the bootcamp, guys, that you're currently watching. Okay, this is the bootcamp that you're currently watching. In the description of the video itself, in the description of the video itself, you will be able to see this link, notes link. Okay, in this description itself, you will be able to see this notes link, guys. Okay, so if you are clicking on this particular notes link, it will open it to a new page itself. It will open it to a new page, and right over here, as you're able to see, the basics of Python that you need to learn, I've already provided you guys with the entire notes for that. Okay, I've provided you guys with the entire notes for that. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. So notes will be given to you in a proper format that you can refer to at any particular point of time. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. And okay, so now that has been done, let's get back to machine learning itself. Now, as the term suggests, okay, machine learning, okay, ML or machine learning, okay, ML or MACHINE, machine learning. The ability to be to make a particular machine learn on its own without explicitly programming it, okay, is what is the definition of machine learning. The technical definition of machine learning is that basically giving the ability of to a particular machine to be able to learn on its own from the data around it without explicitly programming it. What do I mean by explicitly programming it, guys? For example, if I am having this bottle of water in front of me, if I'm having this bottle of water in front of me, I'm a machine. Okay, I'm a machine. I'm being told, drink this bottle of water. Okay, I'm being told, drink this bottle of water, otherwise you will die. Okay, this is what is being told to me. So I'm having this if-else statement that if I'm not drinking this bottle of water, I'm going to die. die. Okay, the machine is being given an explicit command. Okay, this is what means by explicit itself. And we are giving an explicit command to the machine that you have to drink this water, otherwise you will die. So drink this water. As simple as that. Okay, so this is not machine learning. My machine is not learning anything. Okay, it's not learning anything. It's basically being told do this and it is doing that. That is called as explicitly programming something. Okay, you have to tell it exactly what to do. What machine learning is, if a machine has a bottle in front of it. Okay, machine has a bottle in front of it and it wants to drink that. Okay, it wants to drink that. So what will happen is that it will just wait for a few days itself. It will start feeling thirsty. Okay, it will start feeling thirsty. The more thirst that it feels, it will feel to be inclined towards drinking the water. So drinking water is something that has been decided by the machine by the learning process of not drinking anything for 3 days. Not drinking anything for 3 days, I'm able to understand that I need water to survive. Okay, that learning happened right over there. Okay, so that is the basic use of machine learning, guys, to be able to help our program being able to learn properly. Okay, okay, so let us go back to the very early days. One of the first use cases of actual machine learning was the ham and filter. Okay, the ham and span filter itself, guys. Now you guys must be using emails, right? Mails itself. Okay, Gmail and everything. You guys are using Gmails, right? So in Gmails, you have this spam folder, right? Spam folder where all your spam emails basically go to. Maybe some promotional emails, maybe some like shady emails itself that has like you have won like $1 million or something like that. That goes to your spam. Okay, that goes to your spam folder. Okay, the ones that lands into your inbox. Okay, that you actually see. Okay, that are not spam. Okay, that are not spam is basically called as ham. Okay, so this word ham, most of the people don't know. Spam is basically your spam emails. You guys know what spam emails are. I don't need to explicitly inform you guys that this is a spam emails. But for those emails that are not spam are referred to as ham emails. One of the most earliest machine learning algorithms that existed, that was basically used by millions and billions of people all across the world, was this ham and spam filter. Okay, ham and spam filter. Just think about it. Could you make a person sit and go through every single email and then categorize it that, okay, this is a spam email and this is a ham email for every single person who is receiving an email at the entire earth? No, that is not possible itself. Okay, this entire task is not possible. Every person receives at least 100 emails per day. To be able to go through these 100 emails every single day and to categorize them into spam and ham, that is just not possible for everybody. Okay, that is this type of problem statements, which is just so huge in volume itself that a person cannot sit right over there and do that, is where you need programming. It's a particular problem where you need programming, not machine learning. Programming. Okay, a program will be able to go through 100 emails in just seconds. Okay, program will be able to go through 100 emails in just seconds itself. Okay, these type of problem statements where volume is too high for a particular person to be sitting there and do that is where you require programming, guys. Now once we have learned, okay, so this is a problem statement which require like a program itself to do it. There are two kinds of programs that exist. A traditional program that requires implicit like programming itself, that okay, if this particular word exists, then it is a spam filter. If this particular word exists, it's a ham filter. And the second particular problem that is there, okay, a second particular program that you can create is a machine learning program. Okay, it's a machine learning algorithm that can do that for you. Now, when to actually create a machine learning program, that is what we need to understand right now. Okay, so right over here in this particular question itself, we are having the spam and ham filter itself. Now, what can happen? What we can do is, let's assume that we'll go through 50. Okay, right now while we are sitting here. Okay, right now we and you are sitting right over here. We'll read 50 spam emails. We know these emails are spam emails. We are going to read 50 emails right now. Okay, we are going to learn 50 emails right now, guys. Okay, and we are going to so these are the emails that are there. We are going to learn these 50 emails, and we are going to find some words that we are able to see that basically tells us that okay, this is a spam email. So you will get some words like you have won, okay, lottery, free, discount, any other like things that you have seen in a spam email, guys? Could you guys let me know? Any other words that you have seen in spam emails, guys? Could you let me know? So one, then for you. Any other emails that you have seen? Offer, great, offer, million. Okay, sale. I'm not put it up right over here. Sale. Okay, good, scholarship, okay, winner, good, okay, coupon, free trip, good, guys. You are having best trading course, congratulations, okay, free courses, 1,000 rupees joining bonus. So all these different terms, okay, you will start reading this 50 emails and collect them, okay, and collect all these words. It's a sale, million, offer, for you, won, lottery. So you have now an arsenal of these words, okay, that you usually find in spam emails, guys. So what you will do right now, you will create a program that will read through a new email, a fresh email, guys. So this is a fresh email, okay. We don't know if this email is spam or ham. We don't know if this email is spam or ham, guys. So what will happen is our program will go through this entire text of this email. The program will go through the entire text of this email, and if our program finds any word that is within this entire arsenal of words that we have created, okay, within this arsenal of words that we have created, if it finds any words from this arsenal of words itself, it will categorize that as a spam email, okay. It will categorize that as a spam email itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. If it finds any word in the entire email, okay, that is from these arsenal of words that are there, okay, then it will categorize it as a spam email. Otherwise it's a ham email, guys. Otherwise it's a ham email. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. As simple as that. So our program is extremely simple. First we'll collect the arsenal of words, then we'll just like check if that word exists in our email itself. If it exists, then it is a spam email. If it is not, if it does not exist, it's a ham email. As simple as that, okay. Nothing too complicated about it. Now there are a few problems in this. First, can you ever create an entire like array of words, okay, find all the words that are there that can help you identify spam emails? No. I can read only 50 or maybe 1,000 emails in my entire lifetime that I can create this entire arsenal of words. But it will be very, very, very difficult for me to find all the words in the entire world itself that basically can get me the arsenal of all the words that I can help like any particular email. I can categorize it as spam or ham. I can't do that, right, guys? I can't do that, right, guys? Please let me know. Noob gaming, if you are not able to understand English, okay, you can just leave the class, because for every student that is there are students from outside India as well, international students. There are students from South India. We have to cater to them as well. That is the reason why I'm using English. The second particular reason is, if you are coming to this particular boot camp, you're most probably going to like plan for a job at a particular point of time. When you're planning for a job, in an interview, you are not allowed to speak in Hindi. You have to communicate in English itself. When I was giving my interview for Google, 4 of those rounds were taken up by people who are not from India. They're from other countries itself. These guys don't understand Hindi. You have to communicate in English. If English is so poor that you're not able to understand what I'm able to speak, then you can just leave the class. Okay, just do not disturb the entire class because of that. Okay. Great, guys. So right now, so you can't do that. Okay, you can't do that. You cannot find all the words that can like help you identify spam emails. Okay, so what we are going to do right now, so that is the first particular problem. Now your spam, maybe you created a particular arsenal of words. Okay, you created a personal arsenal of words. Now the persons who are sending these spam emails are able to find out that my email, I'm creating a spam email, I'm sending it to all of you. Okay, you guys are like, it's going directly into your spam emails because of the program that you have created. Okay, that's the program that you have created, guys. So what will happen is I will try to find some other method. Okay, I will try to find some other method itself that is there to make sure that my email lands in your account, okay, in your inbox. It's a ham email according to your code itself. So what will happen is, for example, one of the words that we had plagiarized, means we had put up inside of our box itself, was for you. This was one of the words from the spam folder itself, from the spam words itself that was there. Okay, so instead of writing for you from now onwards, I will start writing for you. Okay, I will change it in my email from for you to for you itself. Now my the program won't be able to find this particular word, won't be able to find for you, and will categorize this as a ham email. It will categorize this as a ham email. It will not categorize it as a spam email. Why? Because for you is not there. Okay, for you is not there. It's for you. Okay, it is not able to find the word itself. Okay, and it will categorize it as a ham email. So every time that you're creating this entire project itself, you will have to do it again and again and again and again, and it will take you a lot of time. Every time you'll have to update your set of words according to the new set of words that these students, these people who are creating these spam emails are actually using. So it's a lot of work right over there. Okay, there's a lot of work right over there, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know that why cannot we handle this problem statement using your basic programming itself. Can you guys understand that? Please let me know. Great, guys. So what happens is, this is the place where machine learning comes into picture. Now, how does machine learning actually work? Let's consider this black color box that you are able to see on your screen is machine learning. Okay, this is machine learning. We don't know what is going inside of this. That is what we are here to study. Okay, what goes inside of this, how the entire algorithm works and everything. That is what we are here to study. But let's assume that we don't know about it. Okay, let's assume that we don't know about it, guys. Okay, so what happens in machine learning is, you feed in the machine learning some 100 spam emails. You know that this is spam, and some 100 ham emails. You can take it to 1,000,000 spam emails as well, 1,000,000 ham emails. You don't need to put up a limit to how many words that you need to have. Okay, you don't have to put up any kind of limits to it, guys. Okay, it can be 1,000,000 spam emails and 1,000,000 ham emails as well. You will give this to the machine learning algorithm. You'll give all these emails to the machine learning algorithm and tell the algorithm, go through all these emails itself. Go through all these emails, figure out patterns. Okay, figure out patterns in these emails itself. Okay, so what you will be doing is, you'll be going through all these emails. Your algorithm itself is going to go through 1,000,000 spam emails and 1,000,000 ham emails and figure out different kind of words and different kind of patterns that exist in these emails. It helps it identify any other email as spam or ham. Okay, so now when you are when this is the learning process for the machine learning algorithm. Okay, this is the learning process for the machine learning algorithm, guys. Now the problem with this, okay, the problem that we are able to identify right over here is, we don't get to know what the machine learning algorithm has learned. Okay, we don't get to know what the algorithm has learned up till this particular point of time. Okay, now when we give them a new email, okay, we give them, the machine learning algorithm, a new email itself, that okay, this is a new email, I don't know whether this is spam or ham. It will go through that email and it will categorize the email as spam or ham based on whatever it has learned from the previous 2,000,000 emails that it used to learn every single day. Okay, now there's a concept called as data mining. Okay, how many of you guys have heard this term data mining, guys? Please do let me know. How many of you guys have heard this term data mining? Please do let me know, guys. So data mining is also a very noteworthy term. Many of you guys might have heard it at some particular point of time or other. Though, okay, in machine learning and AI, it's a very important concept as well. So I will basically make you guys understand it right now. Do not worry about it. If you have heard about it, it's great. If you have not heard about it as well, just listen to me. I will be telling you guys about it right now. So whatever patterns and whatever words and everything that the machine learning algorithm, okay, the machine learning algorithm has learned from going over these 1 million spam emails and 1 million ham emails, okay, whatever the algorithm has learned, okay, from going through from these 1 million ham emails and spam emails, to be able to get that knowledge, itself from the algorithm, okay, is what is referred to as data mining. Okay, to be able to get knowledge from data, okay, is what data mining basically means. Okay, so you're having this data, okay, 1 million spam emails, 1 million ham emails. What are you going to do with it? If you don't have these machine learning algorithms, you cannot understand anything from these data, right? You cannot understand anything from this data. So use machine learning algorithms, make them learn on these 2 million data sets itself, and whatever it has learned, you extract it from the algorithm, and that process of extraction itself is referred to as data mining. Okay, is referred to as data mining, guys. Are you guys able to understand what data mining means? Please let me know. For example, let's assume that this machine learning algorithm, instead of just making a array of words, just like what we were doing, okay, we were just creating an array of words that, okay, if this word exists in the in the email, then it's a ham email. If this word exists in the spam email, it's a spam email itself. This is what we were doing, okay? But the machine learning algorithm, because it's so powerful, okay, and it is going through 1 million examples, 1 million spam emails itself, in that particular case, okay, it can make up very complex patterns as well. For example, it can find a pattern such as, okay, if these 7 words exist in this particular order itself, okay, it can create a particular pattern like that. If these 7 words exist in this particular pattern itself, then it is a spam email. Okay, it can create a particular order that, okay, if there are a lot of spelling mistakes in the entire email itself, then it is a ham email, because a particular person who is going to send you a spam email, a promotional email, an advertisement email itself, they are going to make sure that there are no spelling mistakes inside of it. So maybe the machine learning algorithm found out another point that, okay, if there are no spelling mistakes, then it is a it's a spam email itself. Okay, it is a spam email because there are no spelling mistakes right over here, right? Okay, so all these different methods that the machine learning model is basically finding out by going through these 2 million data itself, that the process of extracting all that knowledge from the machine learning algorithm, all that knowledge from the machine learning algorithm that it has gained, is what is referred to as the process of data mining. Okay, data mining, extracting knowledge from data. Okay, extracting knowledge from data. Just this 2 million emails, you are not able to understand shit out of it. Okay, so you use this machine learning model, see how much it has learned, and take that entire knowledge, and that process is referred to as your data mining, guys. That is referred to as data mining. Tomorrow, guys, I'll also be giving you guys a PPT, whatever we are learning right now. In the format of a PPT, I will be giving it to you guys. Okay, you can go over that PPT. It will be very well described as well. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, and guys, one more thing. There are almost 2,200 people live with us, right? It is extremely hard for me to go over the doubts. Please do not ask me to repeat myself. I don't even know what repeat as a particular thing means. Okay, whenever you are having any kind of questions, put the exact thing that you are not able to understand in the live chat, so that I'm able to cater to it as soon as I'm able to see it. So for example, if somebody is putting up a particular question, whatever the question is in the live chat, please don't say repeat or something. I can't repeat anything. Okay, tell me what exactly you have not understood and why you have not understood it. Okay, so repeat data mining, I'm not going to repeat that. Okay, what have you not understood in data mining? Whatever I taught, let me know what have you not understood in that. Then only I will be able to help you guys out. Okay, so data mining को easy way में समझाओ ना. Okay, no issues. So for example, I'm giving you right now 2 million emails. Okay, I'm giving you guys 2 million emails right now. Are you guys able to understand anything from these 2 million emails? No, right? There's no knowledge. I've given you the data. I've given you the data, but you don't have any knowledge from that. You can't extract knowledge from that as well. Because if you're going over 2 million email IDs, then we'll meet you after 7 births itself. After you have died 7 times, then you will be able to understand something out of these. You don't have enough time to go over all these 2 million emails itself. So what happens right now is machine learning as a tool. Okay, you create a machine learning algorithm that goes over all these 2 million data itself. Okay, that goes over all these 2 million data. It learns something from the data itself. Okay, the difference between machine learning and data mining is that once the machine learning algorithm has learned over all these 2 million data sets, now you will use that machine learning model to predict something. You'll give it a fresh email and say that, okay, whether this is a ham email or a spam email, and you will, that machine learning algorithm will be saying that, okay, this is a spam email itself. Okay, so you're using the machine learning model to actually do predictions on new emails itself. But what about the knowledge it has gained? Okay, all the knowledge that you have learned from your existence itself, I want to extract that knowledge. I was not able to, as a human being, I was not able to go through these 2 million data sets, okay, to be able to get some knowledge out of it. I want to get some knowledge, so I'm deploying whatever things that this machine learning algorithm has learned. Okay, whatever things that this machine learning algorithm has learned, to be able to take that knowledge out is the process of data mining. Is the process of data mining, guys. Janvi Sharma, I've already explained about machine learning and deep learning. If you're not present in the class from the start, please do not ask questions that I've already answered. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. We cannot be assured that the machine will always separate the ham and the spam perfectly, can we? Just like humans, machines are also flawed. There's an accuracy percentage that is there. Like it will accurately predict that it's a ham or a spam filter like 99.99% of the time. Like just like Dettol. Okay, so that is how it happens. Okay, so how does the machine learn? This is a very important question to be understand, and that is what we are going to do tomorrow, guys. Today is the very first day of the class. I don't want to burden you with the entire thing on the very first day itself. The classes from tomorrow onwards will be of 90 minutes. Okay, the classes will be, right now I'm going to help you guys out with how to give your attendance and everything, what will be the attendance and everything itself. Okay, I'll be giving you guys tomorrow the entire like notes and everything as well. You don't have to worry about it. We will be giving you guys proper PPTs and everything that we are going to use. Okay, there's a lot that we are going to study about. Okay, types of machine learning algorithms. We are going to make a machine learning algorithm as well, so you guys will be having a lot of fun doing that. Okay, so like I said, okay, first of all, right now, today is the first day. Okay, I'm not going to take up like 90 minutes on the first day itself. Today we'll just have a 60 minutes of class because I want you guys to like enjoy the class as well. From tomorrow onwards, we'll be having 90 minutes of class starting from 7:30 onwards. Okay, starting from 7:30 onwards, we'll be having 90 minutes of class, guys. Okay, 90 minutes of class. Could you guys are you guys able to understand that? Please let me know. If you guys are not present live in the class, okay, if you guys are not present live in the class, you will be missing out on the attendance and you will not be able to take the get the attendance. Okay, you will not be able to get the certificates as well. If you're not present live in the class, you're not going to get the attendance, you're not going to get the certificates. Please make sure of that. Okay, great. So right now I'll be telling you guys how to fill out your attendance as well. In the meanwhile, while I'm creating the attendance sheet itself, if you guys will be a little bit of help, then could you guys please do like the video and subscribe to the channel in the meanwhile while I'm creating the attendance itself. The classes will be from 7:30 to 9. Okay, every single day, 7:30 to 9. If you guys are not in the, sometimes I'll be taking up 2 attendance in a day, sometimes I'll be taking up 1 attendance a day itself. It will totally depend upon like my mood itself. If you're missing out on a single attendance, you will not be able to get your certificates. So please make sure that you guys are able to understand it. So everything that we studied today, okay, today we just got a little bit of like basics itself, but are you guys able to understand everything right now? Whatever we talked about, were you guys able to understand everything? Please let me know. Were you guys able to understand everything? Please let me know, guys. Great. So there are almost 2,200 people live with us. Let us take up an aim of at least 1,900 likes. Okay. So if you are able to achieve 1,900 likes, then I will be sharing the attendance link with you guys as well. Okay. I will be telling you guys about the attendance and everything further on. So let us take up an aim of 1,800 or 1,900 likes. Right now we are sitting at 1,400 likes itself. Let's take up 500 more likes. It will take you guys a minute or two to do that. Till then, I will just create the attendance link for you guys. Okay, so the attendance link has been created, guys. It's on. Let me share the link with you guys. Okay, so right over here, as you are able to see, I've created the attendance link, guys. Please listen to me very carefully. I've created the attendance link, guys. I will be giving you guys the attendance link right now. Okay. Just remember one thing, you will have just 20 minutes to fill out your attendance today. Okay, you will have 20 minutes to fill out your attendance today. If you're not filling out the attendance in the next 20 minutes, you will not be able to get your attendance for today itself. Okay, please don't forget that you have 20 minutes to fill out your attendance today. Tomorrow onwards, in the middle of the class, anywhere in the middle of the class, I will be giving you, maybe in the start of the class itself, maybe in the first 20 minutes, I will give the attendance. I will give 10 minutes in the class itself to fill out the attendance. And then at the end as well, I will take up one more attendance. If you guys are missing out on any attendance itself, you are not going to get these certificates, guys. You are not going to get these certificates. Please, I have not provided you guys with the link to the certificates up till now. Please remember this very carefully. Please understand this as well. I'm going to give you guys the attendance. You guys are going to have 20 minutes to fill up the attendance today. Tomorrow onwards, you will get only 10 minutes. There'll be 2 attendances in every single class. One at the starting of the class itself, and the other anywhere in the middle of the class. I will be taking up the attendance. So if you are not present live in the class, you are not filling up the attendance live, you are not going to get the certificates as well. You're not going to get the certificates as well. Please make sure that you are able to understand that. Okay. Chandan, that's great that you are able to understand it, but I guarantee you that in tomorrow's chat, you will be able to see people asking that, sir, I missed my attendance because I was not able to understand it. That is the reason why I'm going slow and steady and making you guys understand about it. Okay. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to provide you guys with the link for today's attendance, guys. You have 20 minutes to fill it out. So please fill it out according to time itself. I've pinned the link as well in the live chat. Okay. I pinned the link in the live chat, guys. You will be able to access the link from right over there, guys. You will be able to access the link from right over there. Are you guys able to see the attendance link in the live chat, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this attendance link, guys, in the live chat? Please let me know, guys. I pinned the link as well. I pinned the link as well. Okay. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Even if you miss 1 day of attendance, you will not be able to get the certificates. Okay. Even if you have missed 1 day of attendance as well, you will not be able to get your certificates, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So I hope that you guys had good time right over there in the class. As you're able to see, the attendance has started pouring in. So the attendance link is working. There's no issues with the attendance link at any particular point of time. We will be meeting tomorrow at 7:30 once again, guys. We'll be meeting tomorrow at 7:30 once again, and we'll be continuing from right over there. Okay, so please be on time, guys. Do not miss on a single class. Otherwise, you will not be able to get the certificates. Okay. So, sir, I submitted the Instagram clone project today. When will I get the certificate? Atharva, I've already told you guys about when is the deadline for the project submission. After the deadline, how many days it will take us to give you the certificate. So just refer to the video itself. I've told it right over there. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. And yeah, we'll be meeting tomorrow at 7:30. Please be on time. Okay. There will be 90 minutes of classes that will be going on. Yeah, I've already provided you guys the attendance link, so you can utilize that to fill out your attendance. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. It was great meeting you. We'll meet tomorrow as well, and we'll continue from right over there. Okay. So 3 months of training going to start from 16 Jan, but you told it will be going to start from 1st of Jan. Tejas, because most of the students are currently traveling due to New Year itself, they are not available. So they requested us to start from the mid of Jan so that everybody is able to attend the classes itself. That is the reason why we are doing it. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Have a good day ahead. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys.